Smyrna. I'm 52. No, I'm not. I'm 51.
Hi, my name is Melinda.
My name is Tyler.
What I love about Dr. G and Dr. C is that they were more concerned about how not just the vaginal dryness that I was having and loss of libido. They was concerned about the whole person.
So a year ago, October, I was not feeling good. I was very tired, lethargic, sad, crying for no reason, never wanted to have sex anymore.
I must say, when I first came here, I came because I was tired, always lethargic, and always have little aches and pains. So I was like, let me explore.
And they came up, they were the top search. It just came up, Quench Wellness.
I started here because I researched having pellet therapy and knew about it for a year before I ever decided to come in.
Dr. G talked to me about the testosterone pellets.
But she said she thought that I might need to try the bioidentical hormones first to see if those would correct a lot of my problems instead of just going to this really expensive machine right out the bat. But fortunately, after taking the bioidentical hormones, I felt like a totally different person. I felt, in my mind, I'm 21 and I'm gonna be 21 forever. And that's exactly how I felt.
Today, I've had my third insertion, and I tell you, it's the best thing you'll ever do in your life. I am a fan. I will tell all my friends, everyone that needs anything to make them feel better, you should try this. Try it for a year. If it doesn't work, you stop. It'll be worth it though, and guess what? I bet you won't stop.
I feel so much better. I got the testosterone pellets. It was an easy process, easy procedure, painless, and I must say, as of today, I feel great, and I'm here for my second installment, I guess you would say.
I feel like I felt when I was in my 20s, and women don't think about that, but sexuality is important for women, and just as important as it is for men. And a lot of times we feel like as we get older, that just gets to go away forever because that's about age. But I think what's wonderful about Quench Wellness is they feel like it's not about as you get older, your sexuality goes away, your looks go away. It's about being young forever. It's about looking and feeling how your mind feels. I felt 21 in my mind, now I feel 21 in my body.
Ladies, if you are dealing with any of the issues mentioned in this video, including low energy, fatigue, low libido, increased weight gain, or just not feeling like yourself, then bioidentical hormone pellets may be a great option for you. Don't delay. Call or visit our website to book a phone consult with us. We'll see you soon, and take care.